Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm great. Thanks
Good.
for asking. And you?
Well, my name's Diana. I'm sorry. I'm from
Uh-huh.
the USA and I'm currently living in Mexico. How about you?
Cool. So, my name is Sultan, and I'm originally from Pakistan, but I live in Saudi Arabia
Oh, okay. And why did you move locations?
for work.
Yeah, that's very common. I think
Hmm.
we always do that in general, a lot of us humans. So,
Exactly.
Sultan, what is it that you do currently as in your job?
I'm a teacher. I teach English and in a school.
Nice. Young adults, children, teenagers?
Fourth grade students.
Okay. All right. I have a fourth grader myself as my own son. Um,
Uh,
but in my case, it's different. I teach him Spanish. It's very difficult. I'm not sure if it's the age or if it's the language, but it's difficult.
so, what language do you speak at home?
At home, both. Um,
Both.
yeah,
And
we mix it up a lot.
so still he has problems in learning it.
Yes, because he's the one that doesn't cooperate with speaking Spanish. So, can I ask you, why did you become interested in becoming an English teacher?
My elder sister was a teacher
Mhm.
and I was doing masters in the evening shift. So I wanted to have a job in the morning.
Mm.
So you know that in schools it's not a 9 to 5 job. In school I used to teach maths over there,
Oh,
and then
nice.
and then I continued teaching for a few months. Then I also started teaching English because my grammar was good.
Hmm.
So I started teaching English.
Okay. How did you actually become such a really good English speaker?
By the way, I don't consider myself to be a good speaker of English. And
What? Why? You do speak good. I mean, I've listened to many accents, many pronunciations, many students, we could say this, and you have a really good level of speaking. I don't think you have a hard time communicating.
I think that I need to practice it more. Unfortunately, I do not speak English at home. And the only opportunity I get to speak English is in a school. So, in order to practice English, I am on Cambly to talk to native speakers.
Yeah, okay. So I do see you have been with us since last year, correct? On Cambly?
So, actually, I have been on Cambly for 2 years,
Hmm.
on and off.
And what is your, okay, right now I understand you're teaching fourth graders. What is
Mhm.
your goal to actually accomplish with learning or improving your English? Is it for your own students that you teach, or is it also as self improvement or traveling experiences?
It's basically for teaching, and I also want to be an online tutor because
Nice.
it is flexible, and I think school teaching is a very hectic job. It's a full time job. Although online teaching is not very easy, but it's I personally think it is better than like school teaching.
I agree with you. I think there's nothing better than home, working from home remotely, teaching online. For students, I feel like it can be more difficult than for teachers because some students need extra attention to actually learn. You know, it's not the same as if when we're in class and they don't understand and they raise their hand or they come up to you, and
Mhm.
I feel like online for students, it's a little bit more difficult because some are very shy to actually interrupt and say if they don't understand.
Right.
Some are very uncomfortable with just I don't know, the camera, the whole thing here. But
Mhm.
I personally feel a lot better teaching online. Do you have any free time hobbies that you do?
I watch movies, but I like, as I told you, that I like to be an online teacher, and I'm just making efforts to become one. Although currently I'm working with a Japanese company
Okay.
where I teach English. I have like different sessions with Japanese students.
Nice.
So yes, but it hourly rate over there is very low.
Mhm.
So I want to start teaching on a platform like Cambly. I do know that it's not very easy because they need like near native English speaking skills. So
Okay.
that's why I'm also working on my English and practicing it.
Okay. Do you have, by any chance, if you don't mind me asking, do
Mhm.
you have any certificate of like TEFL or TOEFL or IELTS, anything that can assist you more with that?
In July, I
Hmm.
completed my TEFL certificate, and maybe you have heard of it, TEFL.org. So it's in Scotland, I think.
I've heard of it, but I don't really know. I never have actually accessed. I have the TEFL certificate myself, but I didn't do it on that website. Um, So you have that, and are you trying to achieve another type of certificate, or do you think you'll be okay with just that one?
I think TEFL is the most important thing. This is what I have done. I don't know whether there are other certifications requirement as well.
Hmm. Okay. Well, to be an online tutor, honestly, it's very helpful to have at least one of the certificates that there are many. Yeah. Does
Yes.
anyone in your family also speak English besides you and?
They understand English, but maybe they can speak broken English. But
Okay.
my father wanted us to be good at English. We had different dictionaries at home when I was young. Uh, he used to like force us to learn English and speak English. Yeah, he was in a merchant navy, so maybe he used to like go to different countries and speak English there. So that's why he knew the importance of English.
Okay. Did you like it when you were little to actually learn English, or was it something you were not so interested in at a young age?
No, I didn't like it because I used to think that English grammar is very difficult. It's something beyond my comprehension.
Mhm.
And but after graduation, I started taking interest in English. I completed an English language course.
Okay. Well, but you actually like it now, right? Like it is something you enjoy doing, teaching.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And do you plan in the future to continue in Saudi Arabia teaching, or would you like to travel abroad to teach somewhere different?
So I want to go to different countries to teach English, but I'm not aware of the requirements of those countries. So
Okay. Is there one country specific that you want to go to?
maybe China.
China. Okay. There's on China, there's this app that is called, I think it's like Palfish or something like that. It's a Chinese app.
There are so many Chinese companies, but I have recently heard that now they have banned online teaching.
Yes, you are
Yeah.
correct.